Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, now welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes, and today I am going to solve exercise 14D from the book of S. Chand. So here sum number 1. In sum number 1, here the problem is x square plus 4x plus 4. Now you have to factorize this expression. So just factorize this expression. First write down x square. So x square write down in this way, x whole square. Now for the next one, as you know the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, the formula will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, and same thing a square minus 2ab plus b square. So as suppose this x square is as a square. So after a square the formula will be 2ab. So just write down here 2 and here a. 2ab, here a means x, so just write down here x, and for b just put a gap here. Now next last digit is 4. So 4, so we can write 4 as 2 square. So in the place of b square, here 2 square, that means the value of b or b here, b is 2. So if you put down 2 here, that will be 2 into 2, that means 4. Now 4 into x, that equal to 4x. Okay, that means we write the same line. But in the new way. Here x square, x whole square. Here 4x, write in 2 into x into 2. Here 4, write in 2 square. So from that expression you can write it x plus 2 whole square form, because this is the formula of a plus b whole square, x plus 2 whole square. So x plus 2 whole square means x plus 2 into x plus 2. So that is the answer. That means here each and every expression, you have to convert it into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Now the next problem, suppose sum number 3. In sum number 3, x square minus 10x plus 25. So here minus, that means you have to convert this expression into a minus b whole square. So here, it's x square. So x whole square minus 2 into x. Now put a gap for b, and 25 means 5 whole square. So put down 5 here. Now 5 into 2 into x, that becomes 10x. Okay, always check it. These two expression or these two terms will be always same. So if it will be not same, then it might be a wrong, or it might be a wrong process that is going on. So here x minus 5 whole square, so that means x minus 5 into x minus 5. That is the answer. Now for the next one, as sum number 5. In sum number 5, a square plus 10ab plus 25b square. So same thing, first write down a whole square, then according to the formula 2 into a. Now put a gap for b. Here 25b square means 5b whole square. Just put down 5b here. Now check it, 5 into 2, 10, 10ab. So here also 10ab. That means no problem. So you can write a plus 5b whole square, and that equal to same things, a plus 5b into a plus 5b. Okay. Now sum number 7. Sum number 7, here 4x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. Same process, 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x. Put a gap for b, and here 5y whole square. Just put down 5y here. Now check it, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20xy. So here also 20xy. So that means it will be 2x plus 5y whole square. So that equal to 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 5y. Okay, so all the problems are same method, same formula. Now sum number 10, 4x to the power 4 minus 12x square plus 9. So 4x to the power 4, so just write down 2x square whole square. Then according to the formula, 2 into 2x square, put a gap for b. Here 9 means 3 whole square. So just put down 3. Now 3 into 4, that becomes 12. So 12x square. So no problem. Now next line, 2x square minus 3 whole square. So that means 2x square minus 3 into 2x square minus 3. Okay. Now the last one, sum number 12. here sum number 12, x square plus x plus 1 by 4. So that equal to x whole square plus 2 into x, then 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 whole square. Just put down here 2. Now if 2 and 2 cancel out, so it will be only x remaining, and here also x, so no problem. Now let's write down x plus 2 whole square. So x plus half, sorry, it's x plus not 2, x plus half. So x plus half into x plus half. So that is the answer. Now next, exercise 14e. So in the first problem here, x square minus 9. So just write in this way, x whole square minus 3 whole square. 3 whole square means 9. Now here you can apply the formula a square minus b square. So according to the formula, a plus b into a minus b. That is the final answer. Now same problem for sum number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so sum number 5. In sum number 5, 16a square minus 121. Now 16a square means 4a whole square and 121 means 11. 11 whole square. 121 means 11 whole square. Now same formula, a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. Now next one, sum number 8. In sum number 8, minus 64 plus 25x square. Just rearrange it. First write down 25x square, then write down minus 64. Now change it, 5x whole square and 64 means 8 whole square. So according to the formula, 5x plus 8 and 5x minus 8. All the problems are very easy. Okay, so now I am going to solve exercise 12, sorry, exercise not, sum number 12. Okay, so in sum number 12, x to the power 6 minus 16. Okay, so you have to form the formula a square minus b square. So x to the power 6, that means x cube whole square. 3 into 2, 6, and 16 means 4 whole square. So here the formula x cube plus 4, and next one x cube minus 4. Now next, sum number 15, 2 to 5 a square minus b square. Okay, 2 to 5 means 15, 15a whole square and here b whole square. So that equal to 15a plus b, and the next one 15a minus b. Okay, now next sum number 18. In sum number 18, 16a square by 25b square minus x square by 100 y square. Okay, so 16a square by 25b square. So you can write it in this way, 4a by 5b whole square. And the next one, x square by 100 y square. That means x by 10y whole square. So according to the problem, 4a by 5b plus x by 10y, and same thing 4a by 5b minus x by 10y. So that is the final answer. Now next, next one, sum number 21 1. 21 1. Here find the value of 2003 whole square minus 1997 whole square. So here you just simply apply the formula a square minus b square. That means 2003 plus 1997, and second one 2003 minus 1997. Okay, so just add it, 7 into 3, sorry, 7 plus 3 0. Now 10 9 0. Now again 10 2 3 4. So it's 4000. Now into here just subtract. So 13 minus 7, that equal to 6. So 4000 into 6, that equal to 2400, 24,000. Now exercise 14f. In exercise 14f, sum number 1. Here sum number 1 is a plus b whole square minus 1. Okay, now here you can write this one, a plus b whole square and 1 as 1 square. Now same thing will be happen here. You have to apply the formula a square minus b square. So according to this formula, a plus b plus 1, that means a plus b, and second one a minus b, that means a plus b minus 1. So that is the answer. Now sum number 4. In sum number 4, 4x square minus 9 into 4x square minus 9 into 2x minus y whole square. Okay, so here 4x square means 2x whole square Now sum number 4, in sum number 4, 4x square minus 9 into 2x minus y whole square. So 4x square, just write down 2x whole square. Now for this one, 9 into 2x minus y whole square. So just write down 9 as 3 and 2x minus y in first bracket, then close the second bracket and then put the whole square. So it will be 3 square, that means 9, and 2x minus y whole square. Okay, so here 2x as a and this one as b. So just write down 2x whole square minus, now if you multiply it will be 6x minus 3y whole square. So now you can apply the formula a square minus b square. So that will be 2x plus 6x minus 3y, that is a plus b. Now next a minus b, so 2x minus 3x plus 3y, that is a plus b. So here 2x plus 6x, it will be 8x, so 8x minus 3y, and here 2x minus 6, that will be minus 4x, so minus 4x plus 3y, that is the answer. Now next sum number 6. In sum number 6, ab square minus ac square. So here a will be common, so if a common then it will be b square minus c square, and b square minus c square formula b plus c into b minus c. So that is the answer. Now for sum number 8, 3 minus 12 b square. So if 3 will be common, so 1 minus 4 b square. So you can write 1 minus 4b square as 1 square minus 2b whole square. Okay, so here you can apply the formula a square minus b square, that means 1 plus 2b, and next one 1 minus 2b. Now next sum number 10. In sum number 10, here 2x square minus half. Okay, 2x square minus half. So here the common number, common is 2. So if 2 will be common, then it will be x square, and it will be here, if 2 will be common, so it will be 1 by 4. Okay, so if 2 will be common, it will be x square minus 1 by 4. So now change x square as x whole square, and 1 by 4 means half whole square. So here 2 into x plus half into x minus half. So that is the answer. Now for the next one, sum number 12. In sum number 12, x to the power 4 minus 6 to 5. Now x to the power 4 means x square whole square, and 6 to 5 means 25 whole square. So according to the problem, x square plus 25, that is the first factor, and x square minus 25 as the second factor. Now there will be no change in the first factor, x square plus 25, but there will be change in the next factor, as you can write x square as x whole square and 25 as 5 square. So now again you can apply the formula a square plus b square. So it will be x plus 5 into x minus 5. Okay, that means each and every time you have to factorize the factor as much as possible. Okay, so now the next one, sum number 14. In sum number 14, x y to the power 5 minus y x to the power 5. Okay, so here first xy will be common. If xy will be common, then it will be y to the power 4 minus x to the power 4. So that equal to xy, and here y to the power 4 means y square whole square, and x to the power 4 means x square whole square. So that means here you can write y square plus x square and then y square minus x square. Now there is no change in the first factor, that means y square plus x square, but there will be a change in the next factor, because you can apply the formula a square minus b square for this factor. So just write down here y plus x and y minus x. So that is the final answer. Now the last one, sum number 16. Okay, here the last one, sum number 16. So in sum number 16, x plus 2y minus 5x, x plus 2y, sorry, minus 5z, not 5x, 5z whole square minus x minus 2y plus 5z whole square. Okay, so just consider this one as a and this one as b. So here you can apply the formula a square minus b square. So first write down a. So a, then plus, then b. B means x minus 2y plus 5z. Now next one, first write down A and then B minus B. So minus x plus 2y minus 5z. So here x plus x, it's 2x, 2y cancel out, it's 5z, 5z cancel out, so it's only 2x. Now here x cancel out, then 2y plus 2y, it will be 4y, then 5z minus 5z, it will be 10z. Okay, so from that 2 will be common. So if 2 common, then 2y minus 5z. So now 2 into 2x, it will be 4x. So 4x into 2y minus 5z. That is the final answer.